Here's the review of the 2020 leapfrog pickup and count vacuum. This is like a vacuum that you sweep up and clean up the mess. That's what it is. If you turn it on,
let's play Light and Seek. Look at my
it makes some sounds.
color.
Selections. It's a pink vacuum.
What a mess. Let's clean.
Sorry, I dropped the camera. As you can see, it works perfectly in the floor because there's nowhere to be able to clean. Oh. As you can see, it has some inside. There's a wheelie bar. There's a wheel that turns. Because this perfect toy is so beautiful if you had it in my collection.
Picking
Huh?
yellow is hello, green is teen, orange is a color, rhyme is
What? It's Malfunction.
the rug is kind of dusty, so let's get out our trusty vacuum and picking yellow is hello, green is keen, orange is a color, rhyme is the rug is
What?
kind of dusty, so let's get out our trusty vacuum and
Yeah, it's Malfunction because this is the old toy that we bought off at Goodwill, and because there are no longer to be able to get one, and because there are nowhere to be able to get one. Well, I bet you have one. I bet you have one. As you can see, it has 4 balls.
let's bust that dust.
It was released by Leapfrog and it was in good condition. If you have it in mind, you can let me know in the comments because it was like an old toy. So yeah. Thanks for watching the review of the 2020 Leapfrog pickup and count vacuum. Bye.